Okay, so let's see another advantage of recommendation system. The next advantage of recommendation system is increase average order value. So increase average order value, what does it mean? When you go to any e-commerce website, for an example, Amazon.com. So if you are buying one particular product and you are just intended to buy that particular product, so you will go ahead, take the product, look at the product, and then you are going to check it out and then going to buy it. That's the normal general. But if you want to increase the order value, so what you are going to do, when your user comes to the platform, they kind of look at particular product, they add it to the cart. At the same time, you starts recommending some more relevant products to the user. And if you starts recommending more relevant products to the user, then there are very high chances that user may select the items which you are just showing up to him, if you are recommending more and more relevant items. So if the items which are suggested or recommended are more relevant to the user, there are more chances that they are going to buy it, right? So this way, if user were intended to buy just $5 product and you are recommending more and more relevant products to user, then there are high chances that you can increase the order value from $5 to maybe $25 or so on. So recommendation system help you to increase the average order value per order. Okay. Then next one is boost number of items per order. Of course, as I just explained, user is intended to buy just one item on your website, but if you are recommending more and more relevant items to the user, then there are high chances that user is going to buy more items from you. And if they are going to buy more items from you, then of course number of items per order are going to increase. Then next advantage of it is lower work and overhead. Means what? If somebody comes to your website and he is looking for some specific content, and if he is not able to search the specific content by your website or your recommendation system, then they have to search more, they have to browse your website more, and that is going to add to the frustration of the user, and they are not going to like your website, or maybe next time they are going to avoid your website. So as a website owner or as a business owner, our responsibility is to make the life of user easy, and we should throw more and more content which is something user is looking for, and it should be much easier, right? So that can be achieved with the help of recommendation system. Then next one, which you can see, more average time is spent by the user on the platform. So this particular line I have already explained in case of YouTube. By the case of YouTube, what I have explained is the intent of YouTube is to keep the users as long as possible on their platform, so that user can spend more time on the platform, they can promote more products to you, they can show more advertisements to you. And if YouTube is recommending more and more relevant products to you, then you will be spending more time on their platform, and in turn they will be able to show more advertisements to you. All right. Then helps in attracting more ad revenue. So of course, as I explained in the case of YouTube, if user spends more time with you, then it attracts more ad revenue for the organization. So this is how recommendation systems works, and these are the various advantages of having a sound recommendation system. All right.